This is how I keep Educational Engineering Academy fast, secure, and online, even during lunch days, using shared hosting struggled with concurrency and caching under load, pages queued, checkout lagged, and spikes killed performance. Cloudways managed cloud stack gives the Educational Engineering Academy speed, isolation, and instant scaling without hiring a DevOps team. Here's my stack. WordPress with and membership plugins hosted on with a tuned PHP FPM and Nginx Apache Hybrid and both page caching and Redis object caching. I use a CDN for global delivery, free SSL for security, and automated backups for safety. Now, let me show you the setup I use. First, I upgraded the account from trial to full to unlock credits and run real performance tests. Then, I provisioned a server, chose the cloud provider and the region closest to my students to reduce latency. One click install WordPress, mapped my domain, and enabled free SSL. So, I created a staging site so I can test course updates and check out flows before they hit production. Now, the performance tuning that moves the needle. I enable server level caching and Redis object cache to cut database calls. I connect the CDN to assets, load from the nearest edge. I optimize images and serve WebP. I minify and combine critical CSS and JavaScript. And I also run regular database optimizations and scheduled maintenance. The results I typically see: lower TTFP, faster LSP, fewer requests. I label those visuals as sample results, but the pattern is consistent. Pages at the Educational Engineering Academy feel snipper and more resilient under load. Reliability matters most on launch days. I rely on automated daily backups and on demand snapshots before big changes. I also use staging to test updates, then push to live when everything passes. And when enrollments spike, I vertically scale RAM and CPU in minutes. That keeps uptime high and checkout performance while the campaign runs. Security is non-negotiable. I add DOS protection to reduce the attack surface during promotions. I turn on the malware protection add-on for scanning and remediation. Firewalls, bot protection, and manage patches keep the stack clean while I focus on content for the Educational Engineering Academy. Day to day, I monitor app health with server graphs, error logs, and alerts if response times creep up. I audit plugins, cache policies, and CDN coverage. Most performance issues trace back to a new plugin, a cache rule, or a heavy asset. With Cloudways, I can diagnose and fix those in minutes. Now, let's talk cost and ROI. For a serious academic, cloud hosting beats shared hosting. I get predictable performance, scalable resources, and fewer lost checkouts. I pay for the power I need during lunches, then scale down afterwards. It's control without complexity for the Educational Engineering Academy. Here is my repeatable workflow. Provision a server near my students and run baseline tests. Install WordPress, enable SSL, and set up the CDN. Turn on caching and image optimization. Test everything in staging, then push to live. Schedule backups and security add-ons. Monitor with alerts and scale on demand when traffic rises. That's how I keep the Education Engineering Academy fast, reliable, and secure on Cloudways so students learn without interruptions. If you want a full walkthrough of my exact caching and CDN settings, tell me in the comments and I record a deep dive. Thanks for watching this video. This is Ashraf from the Educational Engineering Academy, And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.